Hi and welcome. Quick unboxing. It's a PNY ELR8 or B gaming GeForce RTX 3090. So let's do a quick unbox and see the ethereum hash rate in stock settings. And let's also see if the VRAMs gets hot. This time's no paper crap. Also some mounting tools for tower use case, but in my case we use this card for mining, so this goes into the rig and we don't need it. Oh no, pretty heavy. What else we have in here? No other stuff in here. Let's see what's broken. Put it aside. And there we have it. Is this normal? You have to peel it off, it's brand new. No covers. Also there, no covers. I got this from eBay Kleinanzeigen for 1,550 euros. Pretty cheap nowadays. Come on, let's peel it off. Otherwise it stacks into the fans and will probably damage the fan. So put it aside. Focusing. Made in China. It has the same backplate as all the other cards I unboxed from the RTX 3090. So let me show you. Maybe the heatsink mod has to go here. One moment. I got some stuff. A nice heatsink. Putting it like this on top of the card. It's an easy process. You get out those 10 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you can peel off the back plate and hope that they use also thermal paste here. Otherwise, I have some thermal pads here to get the heat in this back plate. And we take off the back plate, drill there in some screw holes. Don't know if it's a correct English word. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then we drill also holes here and get screws that fit. That fit right here. Then they go. Through this, and they are exactly 1 millimeter, and it's synced, and the other end of the screw doesn't look too much out here to get in contact with the board. This is not gonna happen if you take the correct screws. So enough for the mod. I'm gonna build this card in the PC, and let's see Ethereum hash rate. Here we are back. Card is in PC right now, and Riser, of course. And yeah, we're doing some Ethereum hash rate tests. Overclock settings, 1300 megahertz on memory, of course 100% fan speed, otherwise you cannot mine with full speed without throttling, and most cards begin to throttle, but this card, it mines for about 44 minutes, let's say 45 minutes, and it reaches 90 degrees on memory. Fans are already at 100%, always turning them to 100%. 3090. Yeah, once again, let's see settings. I tried 1400 megahertz, but it crashed. Maybe it could be because of a old wrong riser, or now I started with 1300 for about 45-46 minutes. And hashing, and with 121 300 watt. I goddamn don't have power meter on. Sorry. Yeah, came late home from work. And then was a mining farm. Gotta clean up there. Watch what I found. A whole bag of fucking risers. Maybe some of them work. I'm using 1000 power supplies. cannot see. Maybe I make a more detailed video about it. It is old mining stuff back from the old days. Now I think I'm gonna turn this baby on this card. And then let's have back a look to the temperatures here. Also with 100% fan speed. So the backplate mod could of course only cool down the memory which is on the back side of the card, around here. And the memory that is in front here, that got cooled by the stock coolers. If you have problems there, rip them off and install another fan. Yeah, back again. Got some dinner with my wife, and now a little later came back. 70 minutes of mining, and you see it's not gonna get more than 90. I think this card can hold this temperature. I don't know for how long, but there I got some 3090s that mined that got better. Also, they had more VRAM temperature. 90 is definitely okay. But now I think I'm gonna start the mod and make separate video. So okay, bye bye, see you.